What up, y'all? Welcome back to our virtual classroom, I guess. This video is just to introduce you to how we're going to proceed here with our class on Canvas. So, as we know, we'll be online until finals week. So, our meetings will be online, our homework and quizzes, well, for the most part, they're online already. But our festivals of knowledge, those will also be online. We do have an exam coming up in a couple weeks. Okay, so we'll talk about that as it comes, but I do have a plan for that and to make it easier for you there. But we'll talk about that more when we come. But today we'll talk about, as far as Tuesday, Thursdays, we still have class. Okay, so this week, Thursday class was scheduled to be canceled. Okay, so we really only have thing to do on Tuesday. All right, but before I forget, just hope everybody's doing all right out there, keeping busy. Myself, I've just been locked up at home here with the kiddos. Which is good. Which is good. It's hard to balance, because they want to play. I think it's like a weekend where I don't have work typically, but I have work to do. So trying to find that balance between paying attention to my kids and paying attention to work. Because typically, I go to work to get away from the kids, yeah, and then I go home to get away from work. So now it's all in one bunch right now. So but I love it. I accept the challenge here and try my best not to get sick and to bring the best material towards you, even though it's online. Okay, so just to get started here, just to get to the purpose of this video. I do not plan to make these very long, but so in here, when you're in Canvas here, you're going to open up your page, hit the home page here. You'll see organization, syllabus, welcome letter. What we'll have here are assignments due soon. Okay, so this is the main module in Canvas that will keep you on point. So in here, you'll see you have your usual chapter 7, 8, 9 homework, chapter 7, 8, 9 quiz. These quizzes, I gave an extra attempt. I think you have 4 attempts now. But anyway, so assignments due soon. So this would be our virtual discussion for today. Okay, so what it'll be is you'll go through, read some text, watch some videos, and then answer some questions at the end, and that goes towards your participation points, and that's the way I keep track of attendance. Okay, so if you're not completing the quiz that's embedded in here within these virtual things, and that means you're not attending, then I will proceed to drop students from the course. Okay, so we all have to be on board with this transition. There's no way around it. So let's try to look at the glass half full here, okay, and participate. Okay, I also added an assignment here, effort. You go ahead and click there and check that out. But if you listen here, okay, this is our virtual classroom. And so what we have here is like, it'll say, welcome to statistics. We're halfway through. It's all downhill from here. I wish. Okay, and I just give some review on 7.5 two proportion confidence interval. And I write some things down here and I put a video here. Okay, so these are videos that I created from the summer. I will be, as we move along, I'm going to try to create shorter videos, try to do it like in 5 minutes, okay? So bear with me there, But this is just, we've already talked about this topic here, but you're more than welcome to review here. And then I get into 8.1, essentials of hypothesis testing. I summarize things here. And so in here, I will recommend that, you should read this section in the book first, prior to watching these videos. Then it'll help out. Okay. But definitely that textbook, now more than ever, is going to be a very helpful resource to you. Okay. And so you watch the video here, and then we get 8.2 hypothesis testing in 4 steps. So we have the steps here, and then we have a video here where I actually do an example for you through my slides, and also show you how to do it in StatCrunch. Okay, so typically at the very end of these things, there's a Europe section here. Okay, so in the Europe section, you'll go and click on this link here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this link here, and then I'll take you to a quiz. Okay, so there's just three quizzes here, no time limit. I take the highest. Okay, but look, it's due it's due the 17th. Okay, due 17th, so it's due by the end of today. Okay, by midnight. And it'll be available till March 24th, meaning that, if you miss this deadline, I am recording the points here. If I get points of 0, I'm counting it as an absence. Okay, so anyway, so you go in here and we could preview this here, and okay, and what we get here is these questions here. You have to answer question here, multiple choice, question here, multiple choice. Okay, so these questions, they're meant to be easy, okay, but just to make sure you're paying attention and to make sure you're following the lecture. So usually in the lecture, I just kind of ramble on, and then we have a couple moments where you answer some questions here. Okay, but that's what it'll look like from here on out as far as discussions go. I'll be making more videos and to help walk us through examples and create some interactive things. I don't want to record a 2 hour long lecture and just post a video on there. Heck no. Okay, I mean, some of you fall asleep in class already, and I can imagine you at home, cozy in the rain, watching this video for 2 hours. So I think the delivery method for online has to be a little different to kind of keep your interest. So that's how I'll kind of break it up. I'll do a little bit of text, a video, a little bit of text, a video. These videos that I have in here. So remember again, it's we go home. So these videos I have in here, they're a little bit on the longer side. That's because I was first making these things, but I do plan on improving these here. So you click here, okay, and then yeah. So we go here. Okay, so there's 1, 2, about 3 videos. I think they're roughly like between 15 and 30 minutes each. Okay, but I do plan on cutting them down. And I'll rely on you to be reading that textbook more and more when you're home, okay? But that's how it'll work, okay? Every Tuesday, Thursday, you have something like this. You read through some things, watch some videos, and then there'll be some questions at the end to follow through. Just keep it interactive. So I try to gauge it to be about a 2-hour exercise, okay? But that's how we'll do lecture from here on out, okay? As far as our class goes, just a little update here. If we go home, as far as our class goes here, it's business as usual. Okay, these due dates, they will not change. These due dates, they will not change. Actually, yeah, they will not change. So I had already set them back March 31st, April 1st. Okay, and we're still looking at our exam to be April 2nd, but this exam will be online through Canvas. Okay, and I'll send out information on that. When it comes, but anticipate these exams because seeing how you're going to have StatCrunch available, I may have you create the tables, create the graphs, do the analysis yourself, read the output yourself for these exams. But I will help you, okay? And these exams, I mean, I will prepare you for them. Don't be too nervous about them. I have an idea as far as what to do. Okay, but if anything comes up, let me know. Okay. As far as my drop-in hours, I obviously don't have them, but I will probably do them, but online. But I'll get those going next week. But remember, you can email me, you can call me, you can text me anytime. Okay, this is that will be a more or less 24/7 office hour, and I don't care how silly you may think a question is. You be sure to let me know so I can help you, okay? Just to make sure that we're crystal clear, all right? But I do appreciate your patience and all this, and hopefully push through and make things work for us here. But what else do I want to show you? Let's see here. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Plus, I want to keep these videos short. Okay, so I'm coming up on 10 minutes. So let me put some exit music here. Let me see. Hold on a second. Darn it. Where's the music? Oh wait. Ah, shoot. Okay, let me do this.
Just be like me.